We're back with another nail, another beautiful nail to match one of the dresses from my Kirsty Meakin by Morgan, the label edit. Still sounds weird me saying it, you know what I mean? I'm sure I'll get used to it. But yeah, this dress is just absolutely gorgeous. It's a one sleeve dress. It's got a little peephole, and when I say peephole, they normally like a peephole. It's like a little, it's on an angle, and it's got this little peephole with an O-ring, and it's a swirl dress that's black and like a cream colour, really wearable, absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Out.
It's an out dress, yes, out.
So we're going to do an out nail.
Yeah, out nails. It's going to be all out. So we're going to use void. We do need to base this nail. Don't be afraid of the base coat. It is your friend. Right, let me just wipe this nail with the biggest lint-free pad you ever did see. The base coat is going to give you amazing adhesion. It's going to give you a nice, smooth surface to work on as well. And we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. Pop that in the lamp for me. Thank you very much, darling. Right, so what we're going to do first of all is I'm going to map out this little peephole-y section. It's like I'm doing an eye. I just want to measure up. That's going to go there. Right, so we mapped that out. Now I'm going to make sure it's nice and neat. And because I won't be able to go in with the brush, because I've obviously got that, if I could just go in with the brush, I can go in with the brush here and here, but because I don't want to touch the little sort of peephole bit, I'm going to go round the cuticle with the lily liner brush. And I'll get the brush from the bottom. Let's see how close we can get without messing it up. And I think we'll only need one coat of this black because it is super black. And if you struggle with getting your gel polish nice and tight to the cuticle, you can always use the lily liner to do your cuticle first. Just going to grab this O-ring and just see what that's like. A little bit tighter here. Looks like I feel like it looks like a bat or something.
Mm-hmm. It's not holding you quite yet, Doc.
No. Pop me that in the lamp. While that's in the lamp, I'm going to mix a colour. So I'm going to use white. So this is white out and a little bit of Beige-Dave. We like a bit of Beige-Dave. So we've got our nice little creamy colour, and we're going to do the little swirls now, and they're all different sizes, the swirls are. So different thicknesses. Thicknesses, is that even a word?
Yeah.
Sounded like I'd made that up.
No, I think it is a word.
Yeah.
You love this dress, don't you, Kirst, that this is like?
Just absolutely love it. I'm spoilt really for what to wear now, because I've got all these gorgeous clothes. Just flash me that in the lamp a minute. Just kill me that. And then what we're going to do is continue it through as if it's been just cut.
Yeah.
Like the fabric's just been cut.
Yeah.
So continue that pattern. So when I say that, like this will then come through here. And this will come here. this will come round here. And you can just put those marks there so you can see how the pattern continues through. Pop me that in. Pop me that in.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
It says smart, isn't it? I
Yeah,
like it.
that's nice.
I love it. Pop it in the
That's
lamp.
gorgeous.
Then we're going to use a little bit of not just a nude, because it ain't just a nude, it's like the best nude, I think, anyway. And we're going to put that here. I mean, you know what I mean? You don't have to, because we've got quite a nice colour in the background. But I just love this nude, so
It's going in.
it's going in. We're going to fill this space. So this is the flesh popping through. Pop that in.
Is it O-ring time?
It's
Docs?
O-ring time. So a little bit of Totalis. So a bit of that on, and then we're going to pick this O-ring up. So these are from Alchemy. Going to make it slightly curved. Needs a bit of a curve on it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it on here and give it a curve. Put a bit of pressure on the. That's better. That sits so much flatter now. Right, put me that in. Just going to add a tiny bit more of the Totalis just to make sure you ain't going nowhere. Pop that in. And it's time to seal it all in with the glossy top coat. This is definitely a glossy nail. Not matte. I mean, you could just do it matte, but I like it glossy.
We like it glossy.
Yeah, that is gorgeous. I think what makes it is the seeing the pattern sort of go through from one side to the other, as if it has just been cut. Because when they've made that, they would have just done that, would they?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes. So it would have been like, let's say, a rectangle for argument's sake.
Yeah.
So they'd cut like the shape of the neck, the shoulders, down the side of your body, and then they'd literally cut through the middle
To create that
to
little
cut the hole out.
Pop that in. Right. I love that. That is ace. But you could have, like, if you had a full set of them, you could do some without the cut. You could just do a few with the little cut through, couldn't you, and the O-ring.
And any colour would work.
Well, yeah. You don't have to do it. You don't have to match it to my dress. Do you know what I mean?
You can if you want.
Yeah, you can if you want, if you buy it. And you want match. And you're going out. There you are. I love it.
Beautiful.
Love it. Love, love, love it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. And I hope you support me with my little edit. Yeah, but don't forget, everything I've used today will be listed below. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra, duck! What I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint the nail. Believe it or not, I'm going to paint the nail. I mean, who would have known?